Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. If you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel. My name is Courtney and I enjoy decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, shopping hauls, and so much more. Honey, you are getting the whole lifestyle right here. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have landed on the right channel. Today, the Home Decor Luxe Club presents our Vlogmas Collab. 'Tis the season to sparkle. This is week 3 and today I am decorating the living room for Christmas. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish putting this living room together. I love the way these new mirrors are reflecting the light and beauty back into the room. Most of the decor I used today I already had on hand, and I did leave you little notes about the new things I purchased. Not very many: the pillows, the throw blanket, and the 3 Christmas trees on the coffee table. And that's it. I hope you like how everything came out. Let me know in those comments what you think. And if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. You know what to do. Click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching today, and tune in next Saturday at 6 p.m. as the Home Decor Luxe Club continues its Vlogmas collab. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.